There should be something I can make with this thing, but what can I use it for? I don't know. I don't know what I can use that for. Must be something though. Welcome back to Pine City Apiary. Well, today we're going to start on a project. We're going to make beeswax candles. Alright, so first thing that we're going to do is we're going to put a hole in the center of the can. Alright, so now we got a hole drilled in the can. The next step then is going to be feeding a wick. We've got a spool of wicking material. We'll just feed that through the hole until it comes out. So there's the wick. There's the wick that's been pulled through. And the next step then is going to be add wax. Alright, now we're going to try the big can, or the tall cans. It's leaking pretty good. I don't know if it'll work. Okay, I added another layer of tape, hoping that that'll work. Okay, we're going to try again with the other tall can, and this time we've got the double taping, so hopefully it won't leak. But if we do see leaking, we are going to stop right away. So we'll just do a little bit here, and we got leaking. So we're going to stop. Alright, we're going to try this one more time. This is the first one that failed. We took and we really beefed up the tape on the bottom. It's got to go through multiple layers now. Welcome back to Pine City Apiary. We're going to continue working on our candle project. We've got two of these that we want to open, and I went ahead off camera and I opened up this one. So this is what the candles look like when they come off the mold. And then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to melt this on the griddle just to get rid of this ridge, and then I'll do the same thing on the top here to give it a better appearance. Open the candles. What you have to do is get in here and Alright, once you get that top part off, then it should be a little bit easier. You're just got little pockets. It's where the wax is actually sticking to the aluminum. Then you just pull this end cap off and just snip the wick and you're done. Now this has got some flaws on it, but I think we can fix it. Alright, so this one's got some flaws. The area here stuck to the aluminum and peeled off. But I think what I can do is on the electric griddle with the aluminum foil, I can roll that and blend it a bit, and then this would be a good candidate to be dipped. So we'll get a second tint on it. Okay, on the third and the final one, the finish came out pretty good, but I had to pour it in 2 layers, and the 2 layers did not join together. So I have to decide if I want to remelt this and try again, or if I can figure out a way to make it work. I think I'll find a way to make it work. My solution for that is 2 candles. A little baby candle and a medium-sized mama candle.